Advantages of the Toyota Dyna, well, four-wheel drive. Well, this truck specifically, uh, it's a diesel, four-wheel drive. It's a dually, and it's, as you can see, it's four-wheel disc brakes. Four-wheel drive with the lock-in mechanism plus the switch inside. It's disc brakes. Can carry heavy loads, very heavy loads. Actually has a 4C turbocharged diesel engine, 4,000 cc's. It's a beast. It's a beast of a truck. Only thing though, it don't damp, but I have no problem with that. It can do anything those other 2-ton trucks can do. Highly recommend this one over the Mitsubishi. Toyota is known for the very good reliability, and this is more for goods truck because this is easy load up, easy to go, easy load up, offload. Only thing though, these reverse lights are not the brightest. That's why I put in this one. I'm supposed to put in the next one over there, but I'm putting this one for now. So nighttime you can easily see. Alright, and it's a 24 volts compared to the Mitsubishi. This one is 24 volts. Don't mind my battery holding on for dear life, but this is the last to bungee. 24 volts, and I think this. Alright, I'm carrying two 630 cranking up batteries. I was carrying two 550 before, but I noticed they always give me problem, but these been going good so far. Diesel pump. This is my box, carry my straps and ratchets. Can go almost anywhere with this, except on sand. Sand, yeah, can't. Four-wheel don't really work well on sand, but mud or any other way, any rough road,